Hello, it's Charlotte, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be talking about SEO for PDFs on your Squarespace website. So a lot of people tell me that, hey, they use PDFs on their Squarespace website. And I'm like, great, I have a few on my website too. But people want to know, what is the SEO impact for that? How does Google interact with the PDF? So we are going to be talking about that today. And I'm also going to be showing you how to actually add a PDF onto your Squarespace website and, just give you a real walkthrough of it. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then this video is for you. So let's dive right on into it. I am going to get started by sharing my screen. And to begin with, I wanted to let you know that I have a free Squarespace SEO checklist. I'm going to leave a link to it down below. You can grab a copy. And this Squarespace SEO checklist has been downloaded by thousands and thousands of people at this point. So you are an excellent company if you grab it. And whether you are a total beginner who's just learning about Squarespace SEO for the first time, or maybe you've dabbled a little bit, but you want to make sure that you haven't forgotten anything, you haven't missed out on any important steps, then this Squarespace SEO checklist is for you. So again, I'll leave a link to grab a copy down below and you can thank me later. But let's get back into the main part of this video, where today we are going to be talking about, again, PDFs for or SEO for PDFs on your Squarespace website. So let me give you an example, okay? So the fun example that I thought I was doing was for this Squarespace SEO checklist, okay? So here, if you guys blah, 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 you'll download, you would opt in to get this freebie, and then you will end up going to this page, or I guess technically this is the front end page, okay? And you'll see here that what I have is just a quick little download button. So you click on the button and then it opens up the PDF. So there's a PDF here, okay? And so first of all, let's talk about how you actually do that, okay? So in this case, just using this as an example, what we do here is you would just insert basically a button, okay? So it's a simple button. You know how to add a content block, click there it is. I should also mention that this demo website that I'm showing here is on Squarespace 7.0, but if you're on 7.1, using a button is pretty much the same thing. And then here, what you're gonna do is you can just link to a file, right? And so what you do is you just link and upload to the PDF, okay? And so that's how you actually link a PDF to your Squarespace website. So now let's talk about how there's any SEO concerns for it, okay? Or how does Google interact with it? So first off, I should tell you that Google does crawl and index a page with a PDF on it, meaning that if Google comes to this page, that when they crawl and index the page, they'll see, yep, there's a PDF. And then again, the way that Google interacts with the page is that they can see that not the page, the PDF. Google will see that this PDF has a title, there are certain headings on it, all that sort of thing. And it is possible that this PDF could show up in an online search result. However, it is much more likely that a page shows up in an online search result than a PDF. So if I really, really, really was trying to rank, the PDF for whatever reason, if I wanted a lot of traffic to the actual PDF itself, then I probably wouldn't use a PDF, and instead I would try to create a page around it. So a common example might be if maybe you are a professional service and you have information about one of your packages or something. Instead of putting all that information in a PDF, instead it would be a much better option to build the page itself, right? Or if you are a restaurant, instead of having the menu in a PDF, it's better to put the menu on the page itself, right? And if you do decide you want to use a PDF and you want to think about some SEO factors, then again, some of the things that you can do is make sure that the file name is nicely named. So, here it's pretty obvious. It's Squarespace SEO Checklist, right? That's a pretty nice keyword rich title, I guess that's the word. You can also use again, these headers and keywords in the text, all that sort of thing. You can have other links if you wanted to. That can be beneficial. You can also add some additional data into the PDF, like in the description field of the PDF, that sort of thing. But again, if we're really thinking about the SEO of the page itself, it's better to, if you can and if it makes sense, it's better to put the information from the PDF onto the page. And now again, like I said before, if it makes sense, because in some cases it might not make sense to do it, right? Like contextually putting the information on a web page might not work. Like maybe the PDF is really long or something, or you're, again, not necessarily try to rank the PDF in an online search result. So in that case, it's totally fine. Just use a PDF. Like, again, I use them as well. But if you are thinking about like putting some information in a PDF, then ask yourself, could it be better off on the page itself if you want that to rank instead? So anyways, this has been a nice quick video where we talked about PDFs and Squarespace SEO. I've showed you how to upload a PDF to your Squarespace website using the button feature. We've also talked about, like optimizing the PDF through the image or through the PDF file name, headers, any links, description fields, and then also to what to consider in terms of actually using a PDF versus a page itself. So I hope this was helpful for you. Grab a copy of that Squarespace SEO checklist. I mean, you got quite the preview of it in this video, but if you want your own copy, then just click the link down below and you can grab it. And if you're interested in more about like Squarespace SEO, website design, online business and marketing, then take a look at the other videos that I have here on my YouTube channel or all the other resources I have on my blog and my website. There is a lot there to keep you busy and to pique your interest in this subject further. So thanks again for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon in the next one. Bye.